इस क्लास से पहले क्विक रिवीजन. एम्प्टी और partially filled energy band just above valence band occupied by conduction electrons is called conduction band. Completely filled energy band occupied by bound valence electron is called valence band. Energy band which cannot be occupied by any electron is called forbidden energy gap. And for the diagrams, band theory diagrams, conduction band and valence band overlap in conductors. Conduction band and valence band are separated by small energy gap of less than 3 electron volt in semiconductor, and conduction band and valence band are separated by very large energy gap of more than 3 electron volt in insulator. In semiconductor, conduction takes place from with help of electron also and with help of holes also. Vacancy of electron left behind in the bond, covalent bond, due to exit of bond electron is called a hole. It behaves as positive charge. When temperature of semiconductor is increased, more and more electrons leave their covalent bond and become available for conduction. So number of holes and number of electrons both increase. So conductivity of semiconductor increases, or we can say resistivity of semiconductor decreases. In pure semiconductor, density of holes is equal to density of free electron, and density of electron into density of hole is equal to density of charge carrier, either electron or hole, in intrinsic semiconductor square. A pure semiconductor is called intrinsic semiconductor. From this part, important questions for this year are difference between insulator, semiconductor, and this one, difference in conductor, semiconductor and insulator on the basis of energy band diagram and its N diagram, and energy gaps definition, valence band, covalent bonds definition, and definition of intrinsic semiconductor, and also the effect of temperature on resistivity of pure semiconductor.